Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm first gonna apologize. It's like thunderstorming outside. I just got back from vacation a few days ago and I actually didn't wear makeup like at all during vacation because Florida was so hot that literally my makeup would just melted off the first day. So I was like, you know what? See? Thunder. So I was like, you know what? Brows and mascara it is. So I'm finally back to putting on makeup and I missed it so much. So I did get a little tanner. I don't know if you guys can tell if the camera totally washes me out, but I did get a little bit more color, so that's exciting. I have been into really minimal and like two-toned makeup looks lately. Like the lower lash line is a different color than the top of my lid, if you get what I'm going. So I just figured I'd film this quick little video to have it up for you. So here's a thunderstormy two-toned tutorial coming right at you. Okay guys, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to. I'm going to be back to posting Mondays and Fridays. I also do have an Instagram that I'm trying to post more on. I hate taking pictures of myself, so it's like a big step for me. But I will put my tag, my handle, my jig right here if you want to follow me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.